Hi my friends, today we model this part. It seems to be simple, yes, but it is not. You have here all the dimensions. We start by creating this contour with the dimensions including radius 49 spherical. You see, this portion is spherical. This is revolution and this is spherical. New standard millimeter SIPT, XY plane, and we draw a vertical line, a center line, with dimension of 38 plus 40 dimensions in the drawing. This is a center line. We move this dimension outside and we start with some lines. This vertical is 25, then a horizontal, then an arc with a radius of 25. We continue with the line to be an arc. Press the left button and go somewhere here. This is with a radius of 49. Its center is placed here to be spherical. Then this diameter of 20 and the other one 10. We apply mirror of the two arcs about this vertical axis. Apply, done. Here we have to draw these two lines, 1, 2. But not starting from here, starting from somewhere on this arc. Vertical and sloped. This last line is at 34 degrees angle and its length is 4 millimeter. Then we create an arc starting from here going to the center line with the dimension of 40. This point is placed on the center point. This center on this center. Now this dimension is 38 because we used an expression when we created this. We can eliminate this and place 38 as well to be like in the drawing. This arc will be continued to somewhere here and tangent to the other one. It is equal. Their radii are equal. Then I extend this arc and I draw a horizontal and a vertical. Trim. Then we place on the same horizontal or coincident this line with this point. 3 dimensions needed. This dimension is not a linear diameter but a distance of 25. You see this point is upper. This makes us to modify the position of the left end. This not linear diameter is 30. 30 is an arbitrary dimension, far away larger than 22. Now, since we have this point which works like this arc, I have to place one dimension arbitrary on the same horizontal, this point with this point. Now we have a fully constrained sketch, but all these entities are construction. We'll use them in the future. Finish sketch, revolve, and this is the first volume. We have to create these cuts on both sides. We'll use this rectangle with its dimensions. We use this plane for a new sketch. F7, rectangle. This midpoint is aligned with the center point. Dimensions are 22 and 25. As well as 20 here. Finish sketch. You see we apply extrude with intersect to this face. Okay. Now we have to create this cut. We have data from the basic sketch. This is the basic sketch. We use the XY plane. Then we make visible that basic sketch. F7. We project geometry, this arc, only this, and this line. We hide the basic sketch and we draw some other lines starting from here to the left, but we project this line and also this line, as well as this one. We cut this end and we draw two lines. This is one and this is the second. We have to modify their status to both. they are not construction. Finish sketch, extrude this contour and this contour, symmetrical with cut all the way through the part. Okay, this is the result. Another feature is this one. We can see it better here. This arc with thickness, radius 47 and a thickness of 12. We use the plane XY, new sketch, F7, and a circle with a radius of 47, and then we apply extrude with cut symmetrical of 12. Okay, this is the result. This part has also a chamfer here of 1 millimeter at 45. Okay, now we can check the volume, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is almost the same. You see, only decimals are different. We eliminate the former value, we keep the new value, and we apply material. It is steel carbon, no edges, and default lights. We can compare the two and we don't see any difference. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.